Hi friends, this is Sarojin here. Welcome to my networking channel. Hope all are doing good. And today let us discuss the redistribution issues between BGP and OSPF. So this is architecture where I connected R1, R2 and R3. So R2 is a border router which performs redistribution between OSPF and BGP. So this is a BGP protocol I configured over here. So due to some issues, what happened? The R3 routes 3.3.3 is not appearing in OSPF routing table and OSPF routes not show up in the BGP table. So we need to go and fix the issue. So how to fix it? Let us go to the individual configuration and let us check the routing entries. Go to R1 and let us check the routing entries. So we're able to see this loopback address, right? This loopback address I'm able to see and the directly connected interfaces. And but I'm not able to see the 3.3.3. This loopback address, this specific prefix I'm not getting advertised in the OSPF routing table. Similar way, let us see in BGP table. Let us go to R3, show IP route. So R3 also the 1.1 prefix. This network is not getting advertised in the BGP routing table. So we need to go ahead and fix the issue. So what we can do, let us ping from the R1 to R2. Go to R1, 192.168. And what is the IP address is 1.1, right? So 1.1 I'm able to ping, 1.2 I'm able to ping. So 2.1 and 2.2. So the problem should be with this router, right? So till I'm able to reach this interface, I'm not able to reach 2.2. So let us go and fix the issue. In R3, let us see any access list is blocking. So let us go to R3, show IP access list. Yeah, so there is a access list we are seeing, which is denying the 3.3, right? So that might be the one of the reasons. So the 3.3 is not getting advertised in the OSPF routing table, R1 routing table. So we need to go and fix the issue. And also let us check the route map statement. So any route map statement is there. So also we have configured a route map statement which is also denying the corresponding 3.3 prefix. So we need to go and fix the issue. So let us see. Go to show run. So this is a configuration I have did neighbor 192 and state 12.1. So this between R2 and R3 we have configured BGP, right? So this is OSPF and R2 is a border router where we configured both OSPF and BGP. So what happened? Neighbor relationship is fine. Only the route map statement is blocking. So route map 1, and to this route map we have configured this access list which is denying. So we have to remove the route map and the access list statement and let us see. So go to the configuration mode. No route map 1, and also let us remove the access list. So this is the access list we have configured. Let us remove that access list, and now let us see. Show run include BGP, and let us see neighbor. So also we'll remove from the BGP statement the route map statement. Router BGP 65002 no neighbor. So this statement will remove it actually. And no neighbor. So now we're done with the things. Now what is pending actually? So after doing any changes as per BGP, we have to clear the BGP neighbor relationship. We have to do a reset of BGP. So otherwise we can't see the changes. Still you can see it is not able to ping the remote IP, that is 2.2 IP, right? So let us do a BGP reset. Let us go to R2 and let us do a reset. Clear IP BGP star. So this will reset the neighbor relationship, and also let us go to R3 and let us do a clear IP BGP. So now we'll check whether the routes are getting advertised. So we'll wait for some time. After that, it should get advertised. Let us see. So we'll check show IP route. And also let us check from R3 end. Show IP route. Yeah. So now we are able to see the 3.3 interface and 1.1 I'm able to reach. Let us see ping 1.1.1. And I'm able to reach from R3 to R1, right? I'm able to reach 1.1.1, And let us also check from R1 to R3. Let us check from R1 interface, do a show IP route. So, but still the R1, I'm not able to see the 3.3.3 routes. So what might be the reason? So there is one more command is missing. Let us go to R3. Let us do a show run include BGP. And let us do show run. So what is missing is we have to do a redistribute connected, because still there's a connected interface, right? This loopback address, it will take as an external route. So we have to redistribute connected in the specific R3. Then only we can see 3.3 routes appear in the OSPF routing table. So let us make the changes. Go to router BGP 65002 and let us do a redistribute connected, right? So after doing these changes, because from R3 I'm able to reach this 1.1, only thing from R1 I may not able to reach 3.3.3, right? So that is the only issue. So see, that is the route entries we are seeing, right? We are not able to see the 3.3.3 entries. So now after doing the redistribute connected, I am able to see the 3.3 entry, right? So let us do a ping 3.3.3 I'm able to reach, and also let us check from R3 perspective. So R3, let us go to R3 and let us do a show IP route from R1. I'm able to see the advertised routes of R3, and let us go to R3, right? And let us do a show IP route. So now you are able to see the entire routing table, right? Both the R1 and R3 routing table I'm able to see, and also I'm able to reach the R1 loopback address. And also from R1, I'm able to reach R3 loopback address, right? So everything is working fine. So now let us go to the configuration, and I want to show you how I have done the configuration. Let us go to R2 and let us do a show run. So I want to show what are the changes I have done. So go R2, what I have done, router OSPF 100. It is redistribution between OSPF and BGP. So router OSPF 100. So we have to redistribute BGP 65001 and we have to define the keyword subnets. Then only all the networks will be advertised. Then we have to define the network. Similar way, router BGP. So this is the statement I have done. Here 65001 and this is 65002. So this R2 and R3, they have established an EBGP neighbor relationship, right? So our router BGP 65001 go to this. Since it is an R2 is a border router, we have to perform the redistribution. So we have to configure both OSPF and BGP routing protocol. So in this router BGP 65001, then redistribute OSPF 100, we have to define the metric. So I have defined 10 as a metric. So match internal, external. External routes are nothing but since we have defined the loopback address, we have to match this internal and external routes. So after that, in the R3 I have done as redistribute connected, right? So that is the only changes I have done. So this is the way you can perform the redistribution between OSPF and BGP, and if in case of any issues, you can check with the access list or the route map statement. So there are several possible reasons why the networks are not advertised in the corresponding routing table. So now we know how to debug the redistribution between BGP and OSPF issues. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Thanks and have a wonderful day.